Hey fruit lovers, today we are going to explore 25 of the most common fruits you can find almost anywhere. Let's dive in. Apple. Keep the doctor away, fruit. Apple. Bananas. Nature's perfect on-the-go snack. Bananas. Oranges. Your vitamin C powerhouse. Oranges. Strawberries. Sweet little heart-shaped berries. Strawberries. Grapes. Perfect for snacking, red or green. Grapes. Watermelon. Summer's most refreshing treat. Watermelon. Pineapple. Tropical sweetness in every bite. Pineapple. Mangoes. The king of fruits. Mangoes. Pears. Sweet and juicy autumn favorite. Pears. Peaches. Fuzzy and fragrant stone fruit. Peaches. Plums. Small but packed with flavor. Plums. Lemons. Zesty kitchen essential. Lemons. Limes. Cocktail and cuisine superstar. Limes. Blueberries. Tiny antioxidant bombs. Blueberries. Raspberries. Delicate and delicious. Raspberries. Blackberries. Wild and wonderful. Blackberries. Cherries. Nature's candy. Cherries. Kiwis. Fuzzy outside, bright green inside. Kiwis. Pomegranates. Ruby red jewels of fruit. Pomegranates. Figs. Ancient and naturally sweet. Figs. Coconuts. Tropical treasure. Coconuts. Apricots. Small but mighty. Apricots. Grapefruit. Breakfast classic. Grapefruit. Dragon fruit. Exotic beauty. Dragon fruit. Cantaloupe. Sweet orange melon. Cantaloupe. Remember to eat a variety of fruits daily for optimal health. Thanks all for watching till end. As we are working hard to get videos for you, we always welcome you to post your comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.